Blackbird.io is both language middleware and content iPaaS, but it goes far beyond basic automation, bridging people, platforms, and processes across the content lifecycle. Unlike general-purpose middleware tools, Blackbird was built from the ground up for content teams, localization professionals, and enterprise environments. Our relationship with Notion is threefold. We are a customer to Notion, as we use Notion internally for many use cases. Notion is our customer as well, and we help them solve language and content orchestration needs. And we have created an integration app with Blackbird that empowers our customers to automate in Notion. Here is our user interface where we build workflows, also called birds. It all starts with a trigger. This is either an event, a schedule, or a manual push. For Notion, our event-based triggers include button click, page created, page status change, or page updated. This is assuming content is starting in Notion, but these triggers could be from another system that needs to pass content to Notion. Once we have a trigger, we can then use any of these Notion actions. Since our app is built on the Notion API, we can get relevant data from Notion pages or databases and pass elements supported in the API back to Notion. A simple use case could be we take some content from a page, machine translate it, and then create a new page from that machine translation content. Here we have a page that's in English, which actually exists underneath a parent page. Alright, let's see our bird fly. And success, the German page is created. This was just a quick demo and a simple use case. The possibilities are endless. Our customers get very creative with how they use Notion and Blackbird together to solve very complex, multilingual content operations.